Hey guys, we're playing Animal Company today. I played this before, haven't recorded it yet. So I'm gonna play it. And wow, this was different.
Josh, can I talk to your guy? No, you can't.
Laggy.
Can you guys stop trying to lead anglerfish to us, bro? I'm literally trying to...
No, it's...
Bro, you're built like a Dorito.
We gotta check. My color's fine.
Hey, bro, you're built like a Pepsi bottle. Yup.
Let's see.
You're built like a poop that's not even made from animals.
Oh, I have the more stuff.
Are they? Can somebody kill a chicken for me, please?
Alright. I don't know how to get one.
Yo, where's...
3, 2, 1.
Say hey! There's a cave over here, which I've seen on a bit of ago, last update. There's also a pogo stick. I found it today. So, I haven't checked out everything yet. Every new thing. So, check it out.
I'm not a poopy butt, you're a poopy butt. You are not that guy. Get out of here!
Yeah, a lot of thing. Oh my god! Yeah! There's also a monster. You probably know this if you played this before. I did not know it was there.
I'm playing game mode.
Tell me in the comments if you know how to get more planes and honestly, so
Just give me my money. I'm invited
this is definitely loaded.
Okay.
Yeah, who wants to exit the map? I didn't even exit the map. Bro, you don't want to do that. Mickey, is that you? I love you.
There you go.
Thanks, pal. Wait, I'm Goofy. Oh, pal, I'm behind you. You want to go? You want to fight?
Last update, but first time I played this with hands.
Are you now Mickey Mouse? Ricky the Rat?
Like with fingers. I don't want to go down there.
Where's Ricky the Rat?
I don't want to go with people.
Ricky the Rat. What?
Oh no! What? Okay, that's a glitch.
I smell.
They fix this glitch.
Come on, guys. We're going to the clubhouse. What? We're going to the Mickey Mouse clubhouse.
Yeah, it doesn't. I forgot.
Oh, is that you, pal? Go touch yourself. Let me test.
That's my baby.
Buy your own. And I have allergies. I'm not sure if I coughed in my last videos, but yeah. This was the first scary baboon video I made. I just forgot to, or whatever. I forgot to do it.
Red, you have a shotgun.
Lego
Just shoot him.
one was delayed and something happened. I don't know what really happened for the delayed one. Just trying to do the Lego one and do this stuff. It's 50,000, right? 15,000. Okay, people.
Look at my plan!
Alright, I'm gonna go get some more. Not. more
On
big
zero grab.
ones.
Oh!
So laggy.
Yeah, hi. That's mine. That's mine. That's mine. That's
So,
mine.
Does anyone want to go to?
That's mine.
I'm in sewers.
Give me back.
so
Give me back. Give me that flashlight. Give me back.
So,
Power red, I'm behind.
That's mine.
Oh, I feel
Give
like
me back. You give me
I'm
back.
gonna get touched, red. I'm
Give me back.
I do. Come and get me. I'm about ammo.
Back my flashlight. Give me back.
You're gonna get touched like Uncle Sam tonight. Kill one dog, my dick tonight. Guys, come down the sewers if you want the. Never mind, Red. You're not too cool.
give it back. Or either way, let's
Come to sewers for a free big
let's go
flashlight.
check what there is.
Okay.
Definitely gonna need a
Hey,
flashlight.
Mickey, come here. Alright, I'm coming to sewers. I'm coming to sewers.
That's a mimic.
Next flashlight.
I found a mimic.
Flashlight. Where even are you in sewers? Where even are you in sewers?
Mickey, come here.
I'm right here. I'm on a button. I don't know what it is. It's a button.
You're a gay Mickey.
Guys, I got a button. I'll show you.
Mickey, come and get me.
Mickey, come and get me. Oh, pal, I'm not gonna do that.
That's my gender.
Come and get me.
Mickey, you can't get me.
Oh my god!
The daddy fish
Ah!
I can do.
Ah! Help!
Mickey!
Guys, can you come to sewers, please?
What?
Hell no.
Who wants to get a shotgun? Who wants to get a shotgun?
No, this is mine!
I'm coming to sewers.
I want to get a shotgun with my backpack.
No! No, 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 no!
I can give you a shotgun. I got more money than you. I want a shotgun, please. We can find it.
I have more money!
I'd be like,
With your crowbar.
Are you ready?
Bro, with your crowbar and this light, we can find it. I guess we're not gonna get enough money. Guys, come on! Everybody, come on! I want that, bro. You better get it. Oh, stick that in there, bro. Put it in there.
be like, yeah. Hey, Mom.
I was wondering where you
Guys, what's the status on the Diddy fish?
My backpack.
Is Diddy fish dead? Status on the Diddy fish.
Doo-doo.
Pal, I'm done with your voice now. Can you stop asking for Mickey
So,
Mouse?
I'll end this right now.
Oh boy, you're not Mickey. I'm Mickey. Oh, pal, you're not Mickey. Look, I'm just
Come on.
Mickey. Look, my hand's stuck. Help me.